Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Class 9.
morning,
Morning. Yesterday we had written a descriptive paragraph. Whom did you describe?
Ma'am, our best
ma'am.
friend.
Friend.
I'm a friend
Friend
of
from
a friend from
Haryana.
Friend from
Haryana.
Haryana.
I'm a friend from Haryana.
Yes, we had described a friend from Haryana.
Good
Now,
morning, ma'am.
good morning, Bache. I want a topic from you now. Who would you like to describe today? Chalo, you people tell me.
Ma'am, school.
What you want to describe?
Ma'am, school. About school.
Beta person,
Ma'am,
person.
place.
As of now, we are describing a person first. We have done only one. In fact, we have done two. One I showed you, description of father. One you did, your friend. So one more. Let's have a practice of one more at least for a person first. Yes, tell me. Whom should we describe?
Ma'am, our mother.
Ma'am, brother.
Brother. Is there someone who does not have a brother? Then
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
describe. Then you can
Ma'am,
describe your cousin. Cousin brothers. Do you have cousin brothers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So if you want, or you want to describe your best friend. Friend we've already done yesterday, you know? Let's not do
Yes, ma'am.
friend.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
friend yesterday only. So we can take up brother. That would be fine. And if you do not have a brother, I'll give you an option. Teacher or my favorite teacher or my brother. You have to describe any one person. If you
Good morning,
you're
ma'am.
confident. Good morning, Bache. So your choice now. You can take up your favorite teacher or you can take up a brother. If you don't have a real brother, you can go for a cousin brother. Should we start? I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Please plan. Plan quickly and raise your hand. Let me know that, ma'am, I planned the introduction lines. Write quickly. Write the first 5 lines like we did yesterday and then speak out and then post. You can select the topic, beta. 2 topics have been given. You can take any one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Quickly, quickly. Why are you late? Hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, we have to write a descriptive paragraph.
First five lines only, not the entire paragraph, just the first 5 lines.
Ma'am, on.
The choice is given to you, either my brother or my favorite teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Just the first 5 lines, children. Don't write the entire thing. And once you finish, let me know that, ma'am, first 5 lines are done.
Ma'am, can you repeat again what we have to do? Ma'am, your voice was not coming clearly.
Beta, descriptive paragraph you have to write. You have to either describe your brother or your favorite teacher. And you don't have to write the entire paragraph. You have to just write 5 lines, the first 5 lines.
Ma'am, instead of brother, can we write sister?
Yes, if you want, you can write sister. I'm absolutely okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, I just want, how do you write? Today we are practicing and then we'll move on to plays and events. Quickly, after this, I will not admit anybody. It's already 10 minutes now. Hurry up, bachas. Only the first 5 lines. Whoever finishes, tell me, ma'am, we are done. First 5 lines. I want to see how you start. Whoever finished writing first 5 lines, please inform me. You can speak. Yesterday, you people had described the friend from Haryana very soon. Huh? Has anyone finished?
Ma'am, I have completed the first 5 lines.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
I have also
So,
completed.
Ma'am, done.
okay, one by one. The first child,
May
the
I?
first boy. Yes, start. Yes, beta. Vyom, start.
My brother is the most lovable person in my life. Most siblings are always the most fighting peoples and they never do anything together. But my brother and I are not like that. We do everything together because we both love each other. As he is my younger brother, he loves me a lot.
Ma'am, I am
Okay,
also done.
Vyom has described younger brother who is very nice. Oh, to have a brother like this, Vyom, lucky.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika, your hands, children, those who have done. Anshika, speak.
My cousin brother's name is Akhil. He lives in Aligarh and is younger than me. He's handsome with short curly hair. He loves to do cycling. He's very mischievous and loves to hide my things. He loves to eat sweet fish.
Okay. Loves cycling, mysterious, sweets. Interesting brother you have, Anshika. Arushi,
My brother's name is Arihant. He's younger to me. Still, we are in the same grade. He's sometimes really irritating, but usually the best person around me.
okay. Interesting, irritating, and best also. Fine. Nika?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, may I speak?
Ma'am, may I speak?
Mom, may I see?
Okay, there's some problem in her this thing. Jiryansh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my cousin brother lives in
Speak.
Rudrapur. His hobbies are cycling and playing cricket. He loves to watch movies. In food, he mostly likes Chinese and Italian. He loves reading books.
Okay, Chinese
And
and
now may I
Italian
take
food
my-
is fond of. Beta, those who finish writing 5 lines can move on to the next 5. By the time we'll ask others. Ahana? Ahana Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Not everybody is lucky to have sisters, but I am. I am blessed with 3 sisters, where one of them have really my heart, the youngest one. Her cute facial expressions mesmerize me and do not allow me to do anything else except having a chill pill with her.
Oh, very nice. I also want to meet your younger sister. Seems to be very, very interesting person. Very nice. Prashasti?
My brother
Yes.
name is Devansh. He is 17 years old. He is very good at studies as he is a topper of his school. He is very kind-hearted person, but he is also lazy. He's a tall man and he
Okay.
likes chole bhature too much. He's also good at playing instruments.
Okay. Multi-talented personality. Good. Yashika. Yashika, speak better.
My brother's name is Yashasvi Saxena. He's 18 years old. He is tall and handsome with black hairs and fair complexion. He likes to play mind games like chess and read novels. He is polite and respect everyone, but not with me sometimes.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. Well planned. Vyom?
Yes, ma'am. My brother name is Mayank Saxena. He is silent and loving in nature. He loves to crack jokes. He has a mild interest in computer. He is fond of eating non-veg.
Oh, fond of eating non-veg. That's nice. Interesting. Okay, Ankur.
My brother is tall and have short black hair. He is 15-year-old and studying class 10. He likes video games, watching TV, and dislike to do physical works, but he also play badminton good.
Okay, dislikes doing physical work. Something interesting. Very nice. Well planned. Good. Please carry on with the 5 lines. What about these children?
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, yes, please speak now. Your audio is okay. Speak better.
Yes, ma'am. My cousin brother lives in Rampur. His name is Rajat and he is 14 years old. He is an average student but is very good in sports. His favorite sport is cricket and every morning he goes to stadium to practice and play cricket. He is also an introvert and doesn't share his feelings and thoughts with everyone. But as he is very close to me, he shares every possible thing with me.
Oh, sportsman brother you have. One day he'll be a celebrity. Very good. Very good. Okay, what are these children doing? Others.
Ma'am,
Abhi.
to complete, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I read?
Start. Start, beta. You wanted to speak? Start.
My cousin brother name is Rudraksh Singh. He is tall and healthy. He is 16 years old and have black hairs and always keeps it short. He is strong. He plays football with his friend. He lives in Delhi. He is very intelligent, agile and caring. It feels really good while talking to him because he is very polite. He likes food, be it of any type. He loves to travel.
Very good, Vishesh. Well planned. Well planned. Very nicely planned. We will new plan. Have you posted visual sport?
Ma'am, your voice is
Please
breaking.
post. I'm
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Posted.
I have posted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Posted.
please post.
Ma'am,
Please
may
post.
I?
May I?
Yes. Yes, one by one you can speak and please post on the group. Only you will be marked present once you post on the group. Just joining the meeting will not make you present at all. Yes, beta, speak.
Okay,
Speak.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
My brother's name is Arthur Sharma. He's 11 years old. He's cute and smart, but very naughty boy. He can be trouble many times, but his crying is a nightmare for me. His favorite sport is football. He is fit and energetic. He's always eager to play with me and polite and helpful. He can be rude at times, but but we sort it out. He loves Italian food and non-veg. His favorite time pass is playing video games. I often help him with the studies, but it's very hard to get a thank you out of him.
Very good, Saksham. Very good, Saksham. Well spoken. Very good. Yes. Who is coming up next? Who's going to speak?
Ma'am, I have written first 5 lines.
Please start, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
my
start.
sister is 4 years old. She studies in KG. She is very active and likes swimming and playing in the playground. She loves to eat chocolates and ice creams. She speaks English fluently and eager to learn English. She is always cute and jovial.
Oh, that is nice. Always wanting to learn English. Very nice. Good child. Okay, who is next? Well spoken, beta. Who is next?
Ma'am, me.
Okay,
Ma'am,
start.
my brother name is Ved Agarwal. He is of 12 years old. He loves to speak in Hindi. He is very good in taekwondo. He used to play all games. I like to spend time with him. He is fit and energetic.
Very good, Kinjal. Well spoken. Taekwondo brother. Talented. Yes. Who's speaking next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Harshit, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. My brother is tall. He is 21 years old. His hairs are black and he always keeps them short. He likes to do gymming and riding a bicycle in his free time. He is very polite by nature and is loved by one and all. He often shares his accessories with me. He also plays snakes and ladders in Ludo with me at weekends.
Okay, interesting. Snakes and ladders. Very good, Harshit.
Ma'am,
Well
now
spoken.
can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, Peter, please speak.
My sister is an angry and is very foodie. She is although smaller than me, but more stronger. She also had good grades than me. Her favorite food is pizza and chow mein. She always wants her favorite food to be more than me. She loves to fight in boxing, but only with me.
This is something very interesting, Parish. I would love to meet your sister. She seems to be a very interesting character. Very good. Next,
Okay,
Vita.
ma'am.
Very interesting. Yes, next. Please keep posting, children. Only then you'll be marked present. Keep posting. Yes, next again.
I have posted in the group.
Good. Keep posting because after the class, I just check the groups. Only then I mark you people present. Hanshi Bachi, who's speaking next? Yes, speak. Those who have written the first 5 lines can speak further now. Hurry up, hurry up. What about others? So many are there not speaking. Moment, I am telling.
I'm thinking.
Arihant. Arihant, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I have done. Ma'am, may I speak?
Okay. Abhinath, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I am telling.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, start. Please speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
I sometimes get angry at him, but his blackmailing big guy stops me. He wants to be a computer engineer. I always tell him to work hard and he readily obeys me. He always knows that his brother is always there for him to support.
Okay. Saksham, is he elder to you or younger to you?
I'm younger.
Younger. Okay. That is why you suggest him to study hard. Very good.
Yes.
Too good. Yes, very good. Next. Who is coming up next?
Ma'am.
Yes, please. Start. Please start. Speak.
My youngest brother is the cutest little human in this world. I know he's a bit bossy and an attention seeker, but he still loves to play and to just fiddle with my toys and fiddle with my things here and there. He just loves to eat a little bit of food bites. He does not eat much. That is why he's a bit skinny, but still he's the most active person in my family.
Okay. Must be small. Very small. It seems, huh?
Yes, ma'am. He's 4 years old.
That is right. Very good. Very active. Small children are very active, no doubt. They don't sit for a second also, and they never get exhausted, surprisingly. Yes, who is coming up next?
Ma'am, I have written on my favorite teacher.
Okay, speak, beta. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. And my favorite teacher is Shashi, ma'am. She is very friendly and makes our class fun with new activities. Her class is full of extra knowledge and she makes us learn extra things out of the book. Yes, ma'am, that was all.
Very good. Very good. Continue with your lines. Very good. Well spoken, beta. Very good. Continue, huh? And please try and finish it also.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is coming up next? Very good. Very good, picture. Who is coming up next?
Ma'am, I.
Okay. Yes, continue, Kinjal. Come on.
He's very naughty and used to trouble me always, but I love him. He used to make me happy all time. He's very cute and smart. He's very active in all games. He loves to eat momos, spring roll, and spicy rajma chawal. He wants to become a scientist.
Okay. Your brother? You're continuing with the next 5 lines now?
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Well done, Kinjal. How many words approximately have you written? Just check out, beta. Those who've written the next 5 lines also check out with the word limit and tell me how many words you've written. Hurry up, I'm waiting for the next 5 lines. Those who have given me only first 5. By the time Kinjal is telling us how many words she's written, what about others? There are some students who have not spoken a word. Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, beta? Why don't you speak? Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak, bhai. Ishi Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am, speaking.
Hurry
Ma'am,
up,
may
children.
I speak?
Purvi, what about you?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Yes,
Ma'am, I
please.
posted on the group.
You have to, everybody has to post on the group. Only then you'll be marked present. Yes, speak, beta. Come on, speak.
My brother is very polite and kind-hearted. He is 19 years old and loves bicycling. And he loves eating also. He doesn't play video games much, but he is happy playing physical games.
Okay, very nice. Very good, brother. Otherwise, these days, so people have to play video games only. Very good, Abhi. Well spoken. Continue with your next lines, beta.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
done
may
with
I?
my next 5 lines.
Yes, read out, Ahana. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. She is cranky, naughty, stubborn, and short tempered. At the same time, she is loving, caring, and magnanimous. We do not share our DNA but share something more to this our hearts. Our hearts are engaged in loving each other that will remain same for the whole life and maybe the further births too. Her intelligent and intellectual mind make her the unique one, and so I call her female Einstein. I have many names kept for her that fits her character. One of them is Doraemon. The reason is because the time she entered our lives, she filled our lives with so much of blessings and love. We have fights and conflicts that make our relations strong and beautiful. She is a joy that cannot be taken away. I love her infinitely and to the end.
Oh, Ahana, you've made everybody emotional. Such beautiful lines. Very wonderful description. One of the best ones I have ever heard about. Very nice. Very well planned. Please count your words. How many words have you written now? Yes,
Ma'am,
you
I have
wanted to
written
speak.
102.
Yes, speak.
May I?
Yes, Peter, carry on. I think Harshit wanted to speak. Harshit, are you ready? Not yet. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
I
you
am
speak.
ready. Ma'am, only 2 lines are left to complete.
Okay. By the time you complete, let's see who else can speak. Who else can speak?
Ma'am, may I?
Who is ready? Yes, Peter, please start.
He also has an interest in gaming as he thinks that he is not fit for physical sports and being of 20 years he still watches cartoons and involves himself
In
Yes, Shivam, very good. Very good. Want to say something else? Very good. At least you're trying. That's the best part. Yes.
Ma'am, may
who is
I try?
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
please start. Start one by one. Start. Vishesh said he wants to speak. Now he is not speaking. Continue, please, children. One by one. Keep on speaking those who are done.
may
Ma'am,
I
next time.
continue
Yes,
from
start.
Mama?
Vyom, we've heard you. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. I need to continue, ma'am. Actually, it was
Okay,
that,
continue. Never mind. Continue.
ma'am. He also has an interest in gaming, as he thinks that he he is not fit for physical sports, and he still watch cartoons he is if he is free, and involves himself in various activities like in indoor games such as carom, ludo, and etc.
Okay, your brother is fond of indoor games more, huh? That's
And
nice.
mobile games also.
Okay, mobile games also. More of indoor games, huh?
No, may I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I?
very good. Very good. Continue, beta. Yes.
He loves traveling too. He is a very kind hearted and a humble person and helps everybody. Whenever we are together, we don't forget to watch movies because we both are very fond of movies. He is also very naughty and is always pulling my leg, but when I am in a problem, he also helps me.
Very good, Mehika. Supportive brother. That's nice. Too good.
Ma'am, may
Keep
I?
counting. Yes, Pache, continue. And then once you write the next 5 lines, please count your words. Hanji, bete, speak.
Master Pearl, my brother. He is a lovable kid in our family, the naughtiest and clumsy. His naughtiness is spread around all our family, but at the same time, he makes sure that he always listens to his family and also don't disturb them. My brother has multiple talents. He is good at running, excellent in drawing, and he's really, really active. He's always focused towards his work. He's not at all good towards me, but I still love him.
Okay, Purvi, that's nice. Must be just having pranks with you. Otherwise, they're always fond of sisters. Well
Ma'am,
planned, Purvi. Very nice. Can we have the word limit from those children who've spoken 10 lines?
ma'am, may I speak further?
Okay, first you continue.
Yes, ma'am. I call him as a mastermind because he is quick in decision making and solves every problem in a at his at the earliest and in a very effective way.
Oh, that's so interesting. Wow. Mastermind. Very nice. Yes. Who is coming up next?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
Priya. Yes, please continue.
Ma'am, can I?
He used
Uh,
to help me in all things when I need him. He is very good in drawing. Whenever he is free, he used to draw. I like all his drawings. However, my brother is, but I like him always. He is the best brother in the world.
okay, Kinchil, very good. Nice conclusion.
Ma'am, can I?
Please count the number of words. Vishesh, who wanted to speak? Speak better.
Ma'am, in this lockdown, he did a very creative thing that was how to get lazy, and this inspired me too. He remains quiet at the same place for hours, and this quietness is really good. Whenever we eat together non-veg, there starts a competition between us who can eat more and who can eat his food with more creativity. Although he is very adorable and I love him.
Oh, this is a very interesting competition. Huh? Who can eat more? That mama must be just cooking and cooking and
Ma'am, now can I speak?
yes, speak.
Okay, ma'am. She is always full of energy. She always irritate me and tell my secrets to father. That makes her a half Shinchan. Also, she is not good as me in indoor games, but play badminton better than me. Also, she is like a thief who sometimes take my chocolate and cookies.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, now can I speak? Ma'am, now can I speak?
Yes, beta. Very nice. Can I have the word limit? I was asking for the word limit now, children. Those who have finished the second part also, please tell me how many words.
Ma'am, 124 words.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 150.
124. Perfect.
Ma'am,
That's
I am
fine.
more than 120 words. Ma'am, can I speak? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
I have
second,
Speak, speak, speak.
second guideline. Yes, ma'am. His favorite food is Rajma Chawal. He is very tolerant when deals to people. He understands the problems of others and gives a practical solution. He is a very kind person who does not show his feelings with anyone. He often motivates me when I am low. He advises me like a true friend. He never scolds me and always tell me what is right and what is wrong. I can never think about living without my brother. My brother is my life. I love my brother infinitely.
Very good, very good. Very well planned. Can we have the number of words? Can we have the number of words, beta?
Ma'am, can I count? Ma'am, I want to.
Yes, please count. Others continue. Yes.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, keep speaking, beta. Keep speaking.
Okay, ma'am. He loves to watch Tarak Mehta. We both fight a lot but still love each other. His ambition is to become a doctor. He's short-tempered and gets angry at small things, but never disrespects anyone. He's always energetic and wants to do something new. But whenever he gets in trouble, he calls me up and applies butter on me to make me agree to solve that problem. At last, I would like to say that we have conflicts, but still he never made me feel that he is my cousin brother. We always live and will live like siblings. My love will always be there and the same for him.
Very good, Anshika. Very good. Just don't use that word, I would like to say, because it's not a speech, we are describing. So, to conclude, it would be better if you write to conclude rather than saying that I would like to say. Well planned, Anshika. Very good. Can we have the word limits? Yes, children. Continue, beta. Keep on speaking.
Ma'am, he, he could be dangerous at times when anyone disturbs him while sleeping. But still, he is one of the most charming creation by God.
Ma'am, my word limit is, ma'am, 148 words.
Beta, let the child complete. Vyom, very good. Dangerous. This is interesting. He can be dangerous while he's sleeping.
He could be dangerous while sleeping, but still he is one of the most charming creation made by God.
Yes, very good. Very good. Too good. Yes.
Ma'am, can you start?
Continue. Yes. Speak, Peter.
Yes, ma'am. He likes to eat pav bhaji and is a dog lover. He is a bio student and is a topper. He wants to become a scientist. He always helps me with my queries in all my subjects. He takes care of me every time, and I'm really happy that I'm blessed with a brother like him.
Very good. Very, very good. Those who have posted can leave the meeting. It's absolutely okay. The class is over. The time is done. Your break has already
Excuse me,
started.
ma'am.
Anyone else who wants to speak?
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Then my word limit is 148 words.
Perfect, perfect.
Only
Please post on the group and you can leave, beta. Those who have posted
Okay,
can
ma'am.
leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you.
Ma'am.
God bless you. God bless you, beta.
Thank you,
The
ma'am.
class is over. The class is over. Those who posted can leave the meeting. Is there anyone else who wants to speak? We
Ma'am,
still
I
have
want to,
1 minute.
ma'am,
Yes, speak.
ma'am, I'm not having the mobile phone with me, so I'm not be able to fill the
Okay,
next
same
5
issue.
lakhs
I
now.
understand. Yes, yes. Yesterday also you told me about this. Yes.
No, ma'am, I'm
Yes.
Nihika. Ma'am, yesterday I didn't told anything.
Mega, but just now to you spoke.
Yes, ma'am, I spoke, but ma'am, my mom has gone out, so I will not be able to
Okay,
send
okay,
the.
fine, fine. It's okay. Never mind. Anyone
Yes.
else who's left to speak? Fine. Then once you post it, we can leave the meeting. It's absolutely okay. Another 30 seconds left. Let's meet tomorrow, children. Okay. We'll plan something else
Okay,
for the
ma'am.
rest of tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
God
Thank you,
bless
ma'am.
you all. God bless you all, witches. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please post whatever you have written. I'm checking on the group what all you are posting and I'm putting a tick in front of your names. Continue to post only, then go for the next class after the break.
Ma'am, send.